Who truly rules the seas? Today, we reveal the top 10 most powerful navies in the world. Battery 10 Turkey, 180-plus ships, 60-plus aircraft. Number 9 Italy, 180-plus ships, 2 carriers. Weight South Korea, up to 200 ships, strong subs. 7 France, 120-plus ships, Rafale M fighters. 6 UK, 2 carriers, 160 aircraft. 5 India, 290-plus ships, 300 aircraft. 4 Japan, 150-plus ships, 340 aircraft. 3 Russia, 400-plus ships, 350 aircraft. 2 China, 730-plus ships. River 1 USA, 480-plus ships, 4,000 aircraft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more military power rankings.